What, cross-eyed? I can't go cross-eyed, but I can say no!
Yeah.
Meow.
What the heck is a meow?
Meow. Look at kitty. Meow.
That's like a Gary from SpongeBob or something.
Oh, yeah.
Do it again, you sound like a little kitty.
I can't do it. I can really laugh.
Fuck the vegetables.
Fuck the vegetables. Fuck the veggies.
Fuck the spork. Fucking spork.
Giggle. Giggle. Giggle.
Are you recording it?
What else should we say? Fuck your couch.
I know, we
Fuck
should
your
run around the
couch.
house again with your
Dude,
No!
at first I forgot how to spell couch. I was like, fuck your cooch. I was like, what does that mean?
Doesn't that mean vagina?
I don't know. That's what it sounded like.
cooch.
Cooch. Coochie. Then why would you say coochie coochie to a little kid like coochie coochie?
I want your vagina. I want your vagina.
Exactly.
You can hold this up. No, I can let him smell. I don't want to be in the video.
Stick it on the tripod.
No,
I broke it.
Tape it.
No, we could like shove a pencil up.
How can I keep it? It's right there.
Fuck your pin.
Yeah.
That hurts.
Fuck your
No,
pin.
fuck your pin.
Fuck your couch. Fuck. I'm fucking constipated.
That's not even trying to take a crop.
I'm gonna take a crop and then plant the crops and then take a crop and crop in your face and then we can crop what we have. I'm trying to say crop in many ways.
Cropping potty.
Praise crop. Crop.
Crop.
Crop.
Crap.
And the boss name
I'm a
is crap. Crap. I go take a crap. Crap.
I'm gonna go to the car and take a crap and then
Crap. It's
Well, that
put
sounds
on
weird.
my khakis.
That sounds so weird.
Get my khakis.
I'm gonna go to the car and go take a crop. Crap.
Crap.
Quap.
Quap.
Crop.
Quap.
Crop.
Avocado.
Fuck.
Avocado is
Skitty duckity.
oink a doink.
Avigado.
Avocado.
Avigado. Avigado. Avigado.
Avito.
The Getao.
Yeah.
Miguel San Miguel. That's a Mexican name.
Miguel.
Miguel.
What was it? Mosquito.
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 Mosquito. It's a disease.
It's also a mosquito.
Wait, what happened to that hat?
It's right there.
Buddy Mosquito.
I'm Mosquito and I am married to Miguel San Miguel.
Miguel San Miguel. Miguel.
I'm gay.
Oh! Fucking spooking the hat. Spooking mosquito's hat.
I really good there it is. No, I'm already
Move his hand.
Spooking. Spooking mosquito.
Are you gonna... I have no dick though.
No, that's a guy though. Both have. Look at that. Right there.
He's fake. He's a transvestite.
He's a nubby.
Fuck yo nubby.
Okay. See how loud you can scream. Like you.
I wonder how that sounds. Why don't you scream?
No.
Why don't you
I don't scream.
What was Richie saying?
Dehydration. Oh, I did it like you. It was like.
You know, she still got the doll right there.
Say bye for a second. I need to stop that.